Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am testing a new AI web tool that turns any images or photos into drawings within seconds. So here we are. The name of the tool is Picture to Drawing. It says that it is completely free. There are no fees to use it, and let's see how really good it is. So this site says that it provides instant high quality results and several art styles. As you can see here, there are around 8 art styles in pencil sketch, line drawing, charcoal drawing, color pencil drawing, water printing, ink art, cross hatch drawing. I don't know what this is, but looks like a dot art, and pastel drawing. So yeah, it's completely free to use, and let's see how it really works and how good it is. So for comparing, I'll use a sample image first and then I'll upload my own image to see how it works. So here we go. I'll choose this one and I'll choose color pencil drawing. Let's see how it does. It's basic, and there is also an advanced model which requires assigning. But let's go with the basic one and let's see how it does. Right. So yeah. I think so. The premium model is for quicker generation and maybe a bit high quality output. But yeah, wow, this is pretty good. It literally looks like a line drawing, to be honest with you. Wow, pretty nice, pretty nice. Now I'll try using my photo or image and let's see how it does. So I have some photos here. Let's go with this one and let's go with color pencil drawing, the same thing, or else no, I'll go with pencil sketch. Let's see how it does on pencil sketch. Yeah, here we go. Wow, it's really in very detail. Oh my god, it's pretty good. Nice. It really did a good job. Wow. So yeah, as you can see, we can also download the image which has been created after like processing it into a drawing. So yeah, it looks amazing. Wow. Maybe I'll try another one. Let's see how it does with this one. There are a lot of colors in it. Oh, the file size must be less than 5 MB. Okay. Let's see this one, how it does for this. As you can see, there are a lot of colors in this image. We will go with watercolor painting. Let's see how it does. As you can see, it's completely free to use this AI tool. You can upload your images and it will convert it into a drawing pretty quickly. To be honest, it's taking around maybe 10 seconds to do it, which is pretty fast to me. So yeah. Wow, amazing. Wow, this actually looks like a real drawing, but oh my god, I can't believe it. It actually made a good one. Wow, amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you might use this AI tool as it is completely free. And yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.